Hello, I am René Jefferson from Kimbrer Computer, based in the northern part of Denmark. We are an IT reseller and distribution. We have been founded in 1995 by two guys based in the north. We have been doing IBM since back in the days, and now doing Dell, HPE, Brocade, Cisco, any kind of server storage and network equipment. Stocking our own equipment at our local warehouse, and yeah, and trading around the world ever since. Personally, I'm the product manager in the Lenovo System X department, and I'm here with my guys from the Dell and Cisco department. Yeah, and the reason for my speech is to promote the guys from BrokerBin. They show huge value for us. I mean, we are finding new suppliers, new customers. We can establish some new appointments through the website. They are hosting these great BrokerBin road shows that where you can meet every kinds of people in different industries, different new brands. Yeah, I mean, they as well are hosting some dinners at the night and some parties, having just a great time, meeting some new acquaintances. Yeah.